TX2K Day 3. Bang. 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 You got him. You got him.
Like my clutch, but this one. You get the grand sport on camera?
Not yet, I will.
Put it in transform mode.
You want me to take the hill tonight?
Yeah. I should have cleaned up that that's on the dust.
Yeah.
So we came out to this real sick get together, a lot of badass cars, like really cool stuff. It's so late, man. Now for real though, we've seen so much craziness already with the cops, undercovers, a chopper just flew over. We're gonna dip out, and also we took 2 cars, so I couldn't film anyways if anybody raced. Like, it would not be good to just be driving and filming at the same time. So, I know, sounds like some lame excuses. Really cool cars out here. Unfortunately, we're taking off. We've got to be up early in the morning and head home. We're going back, I think, around like 10 or something like that. So, we got to get up early, pack all of our stuff, camera gear, computer stuff, clothes, and hit the road back to Dallas. And Ryan's going back to San Antonio. That's going to do it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. It's been Sean or Mustang09. If you haven't already, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. I really do appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys back here next time. Take it easy, boys.